Now it's time for a ray of hope. The gift of giving comes in all shapes, sizes, and at any age. It's the story of a 12-year-old who spends most of her afternoons tending to the needy. Here's Kian Morgan with that story.
It's not the usual after-school activity for a preteen, but for 12-year-old Courtney Greaves of Campion College, catering to the destitute is a hobby. It's something she initiated at the age of 6.
I got a dream from God saying that I should spend my birthday not celebrating and gallivanting, but to share with the less fortunate people. I decided to ask my mother, and after some pleading, she decided to make the food for me.
A drive that has not wavered in the last 6 years.
Very proud of myself to see all of those smiles on the people's faces. But I truly give thanks to God for giving me the strength to come out here each week.
At least twice weekly, Courtney, with the help of her mother, prepares and delivers hot meals for people living on the streets between downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree. Today's location, the Ward Theatre.
They're very thankful for what I am doing. They say God bless me. Others, they can be a bit hostile, but I know that I must try and help.
She will help me season, and she will help like when I'm stuffed for overnight, and she will help cut up and put the vegetable together and so forth.
Her mother, Tanya Loudon, who suffered a stroke and has a spinal cancer, says Courtney's ambition fuels her to fight.
She take that time out and, her lunch money and feed persons who are in need, and I am very, very proud of her.
A vendor who lends Courtney a helping hand says others should model her efforts.
I know her from a little girl, and seeing her coming back same way doing it, that is a good way to help out.
For maybe days they might not eat anything, and when they do get it, sometimes they want more than one. So you just have to give them and just help.
Share with others. Be that light in your community and ask others to be there with you. It should not just be you basking in the sunshine. And give thanks to God while you're doing all of this.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan.